So next one which we are studying is center of mass of laminar bodies. What is laminar body? Paper is an example of a laminar body. Paper. So paper has only length and breadth. Thickness will be negligible. Thickness will be 0. So such kind of bodies we can call them as laminar bodies. Or a sheet of metallic sheets. A sheet of cardboard. This what you call this door also. It has very large breadth and very large length is also there, but thickness is very less. Clear now? Such bodies we can call them as laminar bodies. Okay. So for laminar bodies, total mass is distributed equally. Total mass is distributed equally along the area. Okay, ma? Therefore, mass is directly proportional to area. So, are you able to understand what is happening here? So, in the case of laminar bodies, mass is totally distributed only in area only, no? Thickness is not there. So, total mass should be distributed in the area itself. So, it means if area is bigger, mass of that body is also bigger. So, mass is directly proportional to area. So, based on this concept, we will try to find out the center of mass of laminar bodies. Okay. So, I will give one diagram. So, try to find out its center of mass. Metallic sheet, a lamina, and that lamina I am cutting in the shape of letter E. And this is the dimensions of this letter. Understood, Nama? Then for this lamina, you are supposed to find out where will be its position of center of mass. Okay. So, let us see how we can do this kind of problem. Completed, Nama, this side? Okay. So, Sima, listen all of you, then you can write down. First listen carefully. Sima. So, this is the shape of the lamina in which we have cut. And what is the mass of this letter? I don't know. Mass completely it is not given. Only the dimensions of this lamina they are given. So, what I do is, I will try to convert this figure into some symmetrical bodies. How I can cut? So, this one I will consider as body number 1. This one I will consider as body number 2. This one I will consider as body number 3. This one as number 4 and this one as number 5. Okay. So, each one I have cut into symmetrical bodies. Nama. So, this is a rectangle which is formed. This is a square, rectangle, square, and this is a rectangle. So, total how many bodies I have divided into? Total 5 bodies I have divided this lamina. Okay. Then what is the mass of each lamina? Mass of each lamina, is it given? No. But here what I have written, mass is directly proportional to area. Because this is only lamina, nama, mass is distributed equally throughout the area. Okay. So, therefore, I can say mass is directly proportional to area of the lamina. Now, you take mass of first body. Mass of first body. So, mass m1. Mass m1 is directly proportional to its area. What is its area? 3a multiplied by a. 3a square. 3a square. That's all, no? Area 3a square only, no? 3a into a, 3a square, length into breadth. So, mass of second body. Come on, try to say the mass of second body. m2. How much? Mass of second body, this is a, this length is a. Height is also a. So, a into a square. Clear, no? Then mass of third body. Mass of third body is m3. How much? This is the third body number. This is a and this is a. And height is a. So, 2a into a, 2a square. So, 2a square. Mass is proportional to 2a square. Mass of fourth body. Which is the fourth body here? This one. So, a into a square. So, m4 is proportional to a square. Mass of fifth body. Again 3a multiplied by a, 3a square. Clear, number? So, m5 is proportional to 3a square. So, these are the approximate proportionality masses which I got. Now, while doing the calculation, no need of putting this proportionality symbol. Directly you substitute m1 is 3a square, m2 is a square. Like this also you can do. Okay. So, now let us do the calculation. See, first of all, is there any symmetry in this figure? Is there any symmetry? Whenever question is given, first of all, you should check for symmetry. Okay. Otherwise, you have to calculate x center of mass and y center of mass, which is a nonsense. Is there any symmetry? Symmetry is present along which axis? Symmetry is present along this line. This is the axis of symmetry. Are you able to understand? It means definitely x center of mass must lie on this line. Now if I take this point to be my origin, 0, 0, center of mass is present on this line, no? So first of all, without any calculation, I got y center of mass, no? What is the y center of mass? So from here it is A by 2. So how much? So y center of mass is 5A divided by 2. Understood, ma? Why we got 5A divided by 2? Center of mass must lie on the symmetrical axis, no? And which is the reference we are taking? This one. Center of must be on this line. So y center of mass, first of all, I got, no? So A by 2. 5A divided by 2. Okay. X center of mass, I don't know. I have to calculate x center of mass. Clear now? So x center of mass. So m1 x1 plus, how many masses are there totally? 5. So m2 x2 plus, m3 x3 plus, m4 x4 plus, m5 x5 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4 plus m5. Now you can do all the calculation, no? Because all the center of masses already, positions of center of masses we know. Okay. So mass of first body is how much, ma? 3a square. 3a square multiplied by, what is the center of mass of first body? Come on. Total distance is how much? 3a. So center of mass will be exactly at the center, no? So what will be this distance? 3a divided by 2. Now substitute. So 3a divided by 2. Are you able to understand, ma? Similarly, mass of second body? Mass of second body is how much? A square. And for second body, where will be the position of center of mass on x-axis? It will be exactly at the middle. So this distance is how much? A by 2. Clear, na? Mass of third body? 2a square, 2a square. And this is having a distance of 2a, no? So center of mass will be at a distance of a. Clear? Mass of fourth body? A square. And its center of mass will be at a by 2. Mass of fifth body? Again 3a square. And its center of mass will be at 3a divided by 2. So whole divided by total mass. So 3a square, 4a square, 6a square, 7a square, 10a square. 10a square. Total mass. So therefore a square, a square, a square, a square, a square and a square will get cancelled. So therefore how much it is? 9a divided by 2 plus a by 2 plus 2a. Clear, ma? Plus a by 2 plus 9a by 2 divided by 10. Okay. Now just do this total calculation. That is my x center of mass. Have you understood? See this question, na? So a lamina is cut in the form of letter T, ma. So this is 4a and this distance is a. This is 5a and this is also a. So you are supposed to find out the center of mass of the system. Okay. What I can do is, this body I can divide into two symmetrical bodies, no, ma? So if I cut here, this is one body and this is the second body. Okay. So let us take origin to be present somewhere here, 0, 0. Okay. So is there any symmetry first of all? Whenever rigid bodies are given, first you should check for symmetry. Symmetry unda leda? Symmetry is definitely present, no? So along this line, symmetry is existing. Okay. So symmetry is present along y center of mass. So if I take to be my origin here, on x-axis, center of mass will not be present. Are you able to understand that? So I will say x center of mass is how much? X center of mass is 0. Because it should lie only on the y-axis and this is my origin. On x-axis, center of mass is not possible. Okay. So therefore I will calculate y center of mass. Okay, ma? So y center of mass. There are two bodies, no? First body and second body. Just write two equations. m1 y1 plus m2 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Clear now? So what is the mass of first body? Can you say? Mass of first body, 4a square. Length is 4a, width is a, no, ma? So 4a into a, 4a square. On y-axis, where will be its position of center of mass? A by 2 na. See carefully. 2a. Total length is 4a, no, ma? It means center of mass will be somewhere here. So what will be this distance? 2a. Clear, no? So multiplied by 2a. Mass of second body? 5a into a, 5a square. Clear, no? Multiplied by, what will be its position of center of mass? 5a by 2. So see, ma, see here, it is not 5a by 2. Center of mass is somewhere here, no? So this distance I want to calculate, this distance. From the origin I want to know. So 4a plus a by 2. This distance is a by 2, no ma? Clear? No? And from here this distance is 4a. 4a plus a by 2. So total how much? 9a by 2. 4a plus a by 2, 9a by 2. Clear now? So 9a by 2 divided by masses are 4a square plus 5a square. So a square, a square, a square, a square get cancelled. So therefore 8a plus 9 5s are how much ma? 9 5s are 45a divided by 2 divided by 9. Clear no? So therefore if I do this calculation, 8 5s are 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 45, 51a divided by 2 multiplied by 61, no? 61. So 61a divided by 18. This is my answer. So this is the position of y center of mass. X center of mass is how much? It is 0. So therefore x center of mass comma y center of mass is how much? No? So 0 comma 61a divided by 18. This is my answer.